A memory, a heartbeat, a sacrifice. Let me ask you something. What is the color of freedom? Is it the saffron of courage, white of peace, green of hope, or is it the crimson red of blood that countless brave hearts offered so that we could breathe freely today? If the world could speak, if the mountains could remember, if the tricolor itself could whisper, what story would it tell us? The title of my story is When Mountains Remembered. It was the summer of 1999. The icy peak of Kargil stood silent. Yet beneath that silence echoed the footsteps of courage. A young officer named Arjun once looked at the photograph of his mother and his little sister before marching ahead. Around him, the wind howled, the bullets roared, and the mountain seems to ask every soldier, how much you love your motherland? Arjun smiled and replied, enough to give mine today for your future. As night covered the battlefield, Arjun remembered another midnight, 15 August 1947. His grandfather had once told him how the first ray of independent India was born after the centuries of sacrifice. Freedom, he had said, was never gifted. It was earned with tears, courage, and hope. Never let hatred become greater than humanity, he has sworn. And those words echoed louder than the explosions around him. Day passed. Hunger, freezing wind, and fear became companion. Yet every soldier climbed higher. Every footsteps heavier than the last. But every heartbeat carries a single dream. The tricolor must never bow. They were not fighting because they loved war. They fought because they loved peace so deeply that they want to protect it with their lives. Finally, the victory arrived. The flag danced proudly over the tiger heels. Cheers filled the air, but not all the heroes returned back to their home. Arjun's family received the final letter. Do not warn me, it read. If my heartbeat stops, let it become the heartbeat of every child who studies in freedom. Build bridges instead of barriers. Let book become stronger than the bullets. Years later, his little sister became teacher. And every Independence Day, she held that fatal letter before her student. Children, she would ask, who truly wins the war? Some answered, the strong army. She gently smiled and replied, no. Humanity wins when peace returns. Love wins when the forgiveness survives. And India wins when her children choose unity over the division. As I stand before you, I realize the story never ended with Arjun. It continued in every honest citizen, every teacher shaping the young minds, every doctor saving the lives, every farmer feeding the nation, and every soldier guiding our borders. Patriotism is not only celebrated in Independence Day or Vijay Kargil Divas. It is lived every single day through our responsibility, kindness, and service. So, my dear friends, let us promise whenever we look at our national flag, we shall not see the colors, we shall see the promises, peace, courage, and hope. And whenever history asks us what you do with the freedom you inherited, let our answer ride with pride. We honored every sacrifice by becoming a worthy citizen of India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.